Welcome back to this Chapter 8 video tutorial on macro and VBA Basic to Advanced. In this chapter, we will learn writing the macro code for borders and text alignment. Let's start. To save the time, here I have already written the codes. Let's execute each line of code one by one and see what it does. Use the F8 key to execute code step by step. VBA written in range B2 to C8. Border applied in the range. The other types of line style for border you can see in the screen. Weight of border changed to level 3. Border color changed to red color. Horizontal alignment of text changed to right. Alignment of text changed to center. Alignment changed to left. Vertical alignment changed to top. Vertical alignment changed to bottom. Vertical alignment changed to center. So, this is how we write macro for borders and text alignment in VBA. Till this chapter, all the codes we executed was applied on the active sheet only. In the next chapter, we will learn how to reference a sheet in VBA. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next chapter.